Hi, I'm Ronald, and today I'll be doing yet another virtual travel sketching video. If you're new to my channel, this is my fourth installment of a virtual sketching series wherein I would explore a certain location or city via the Google Earth or Street View, then find a spot to sketch. The reason why I'm doing this is that I am trying to fill in the pages of my sketchbook, which was supposed to be used mainly for urban sketches. But since the pandemic hasn't gone away and I think won't be gone anytime soon, that's why I decided to fill in the pages with virtual travel sketches instead. I believe I have less than 10 pages left, so I'm gonna be doing a sketchbook tour as soon as I am done. If you're interested, I will be adding the links on my other virtual sketches on the video description as well. Today's sketching location is Spain, and I chose this fruit stand in the middle of Santa Catarina Market in Barcelona, Spain. I've always wanted to do some sketches in a busy location such as this. Again, I will be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse. Enjoy. I guess that would be it for now. Feel free to follow me on my other social media accounts to be updated of any artsy and random stuff. So, see you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.